Hello guys, in this video we will see what is WhatIsDevError5 in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. What is dev error? The content of error is a common crash error encountered by players in Call of Duty Warzone, often leading to the game unexpectedly closing to the desktop. This error typically occurs during various stages of gameplay, such as loading into a match mid-game or even when navigating menaced after an update. While its exact trigger can vary, it generally indicates an issue with the game's rendering pipeline, asset loading, or conflicts with the system's hardware, particularly the graphics card. Common underlying causes include corrupted game files, outdated or incompatible graphics drivers, or conflicts arising from specific in-game settings or third-party software overlays. Step basic troubleshooting. Restart and scan repair content. The initial steps to address dev error involve fundamental troubleshooting. Begin by performing a full restart of your computer and, if applicable, your internet router. This can resolve temporary system glitches or network communication issues that might contribute to the error. Following this, open the Battle.net client, select Call of Duty Warzone, click the gear icon next to the play button and choose the Scan and Repair option. This utility will automatically check the integrity of your game files, identify any corrupted or missing data, and attempt to fix them, which is a frequent solution for various dev errors. Step update or rollback graphics drivers. Intent graphics drivers are a leading cause of dev error. Ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated by visiting the official website of your manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and downloading the latest stable driver version specifically for your graphics card model and operating system. Perform a clean installation of these drivers by selecting the Custom or Clean Installation option during the setup process. If the error persists or began after a recent driver update, consider rolling back your drivers to a previously stable version that was known to work without issues. This can be done via the Device Manager under Display Adapters by right-clicking your queue, selecting Properties, and then navigating to the Driver tab to choose Rollback Driver. Step adjust in-game settings and disable overlays. Content-specific in-game graphical settings and external software overlays can trigger dev error within Warzone's graphics settings. Experiment by lowering texture quality, disabling features like NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency, setting the display mode to full screen exclusive, and turning off ray tracing. If enabled, also try disabling Vicent and reducing the video memory. Scale critically disable any third-party overlay applications that run concurrently with the game, such as Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, and Radeon software overlay or MSI Afterburner. These overlays can conflict with the game's rendering process and cause instability. Restart the game after making any changes to these settings or disabling overlays. Step reinstall the game as a last resort. Content. If all preceding troubleshooting steps fail to resolve dev error, a complete reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone is recommended as a final measure. This ensures that you are starting with a fresh, uncorrupted copy of the game and all its associated files before reinstalling. It is crucial to thoroughly uninstall the game via the Battle.net client and then manually delete any remaining game folders or files from your system to ensure no residual corrupted data persists. After completing the cleanup, proceed to reinstall Warzone through the Battle.net launcher. While time-consuming due to the large file size, a clean reinstallation often resolves deeply rooted issues that other methods cannot fix.